Hey, it's me, guys.
And me, guys.
Well, it is September 1st, so we are getting started on our under 1,000 group build.
I picked this kit because I wanted to do something crazy, like pink, bright pink, boy eyes out pink. And then we're doing blue for the seats and the inside, and I don't know what we're doing to the bottom yet.
We'll show you the colors that we picked, and give you a good idea of what it'll look like when it's done. But let's check this thing out.
Let's check this thing out. Yeah, just put it in there.
There we go. Oh, jeez.
What are these? They're heavy. You have to screw these off. Ooh, what's in the window? Oh. What's in there? Look. There we go.
They already tried to snap it together for us.
But there's the window, the tab. This almost just won't do, but it's kind of shiny. You might not see it, but it's so shiny inside the light. The seat. This goes on the very back, like right there.
Other side.
Oh, so you can like open it.
Mm-hmm.
It would probably like, oh, it goes like this, and it goes like, so Dad, it goes like this, and then it goes down so I can.
But that's exactly how it goes, yeah.
So this pink is gonna be on this, and this, and this would be pink. This would be pink. So this would be bright blue. This is gonna be bright blue. This is gonna be bright blue. Same with this. This is gonna be dark blue. This is gonna be dark blue. We are gonna decide what this part is gonna be. We're gonna decide if it's gonna be dark blue or bright blue. Some of these might be blue. The tires would have to be that color. And then the window. We're gonna get these things ready for paint. I like to spray paint, but the only thing I do not like about spray painting is I have to have my mask on. I don't like the mask.
But it is a very colorful mask, so that is pretty cool.
Yes.
So
Great.
we'll get these ready, we'll get some paint on them, and we'll make sure to post our updates with the hashtag under 1000 group build 25. And we'll see you guys' updates in there too. Until next time, happy building.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
You goofball.